So the IATA net zero roadmaps tell us that we need about 500 million tons of carbon removal by 2050 for the aviation sector to reach net zero. So that means that we need to start taking carbon out of the air and putting it underground to create the -1 emission to counterbalance all of the remaining emissions that are left over after we've done all our reductions. Today at 1PointFive, we're in the middle of constructing our first commercial project that's targeted to capture 500,000 tons of carbon from the air every year once it's up and running, which is targeted for the middle of 2025. So that's becoming a reality already. We've got steel in the ground, construction is progressing. We then have plans for a second commercial plant in the south of Texas that's been selected as one of the U.S. Department of Energy's DAC hubs projects. And at full capacity, that will be targeted to capture 1 million tons of carbon from the air each year. That's on a site that has the capability to support 30 of those plants. So we need to start there and then scale up globally as we build the entire carbon removal industry out. I think that one of the things that we've seen is a tremendous sensitivity around carbon offsetting because of the backlash that we've seen from the general public. With carbon removal, particularly carbon removal from direct air capture technology, what we're providing is a solution that's highly measurable. You're literally putting a flow meter on the input of your process so that you can measure exactly how many molecules of carbon that you've pulled out of the air. You are then storing it safely and securely deep underground where it will stay on geologic timescales. That's providing a very high integrity, highly measurable, highly transparent solution. And we believe that the combination of those things is necessary to build the trust, both with airlines and the general public, to see broader acceptance of carbon removals.